The MV Agusta F3 Competitionizione is a special edition made up of only 300 units, and in this displacement we see the most exclusive but also the most monstrous, a 3-cylinder engine that reaches at least 160 horsepower with the competition kit. The price of the MV Agusta F3 Competitionizione is not available. The MV Agusta F3 Competitionizione is a special edition of the super sports car with which the Varese brand wants to set a new standard in these medium-high performances. It is based on the MV Agusta F3 RR, one of the most exclusive motorcycles in this segment, but to which they have added some of their own characteristics that make it even more formidable. The beauty of this MV Agusta F3 Competitionizione is even more appreciated when you know that only 300 units of this limited edition will be sold in 2025. MV Agusta F3 Competition 2025 details 79. As we said, it is part of the RR, but the bicycle part is definitely the area where we find the clearest differences. To achieve this, the suspensions with NIX30 cartridge inverted forks with 43mm bars with tin treatment were collaborated with Öhlins. Of course, it is fully adjustable in all hydraulic, compression and extension and mechanical, spring preload settings. Both regulators are located in the upper part of the fork. The left bar works in compression and the right bar in extension. At the rear we find the Öhlins TTX36 monoshock with twin-tube technology and external reservoir, adjustable using external regulator controls, compression and extension. This part is based on an aluminum single-sided swing arm. Öhlins is also the signatory of the steering damper, which can be adjusted in 19 positions to guarantee absolute stability and prevent steering kickbacks, wobbles. This package from the Swedish brand reduces weight by 1 kilogram. The braking system has also been improved. At the front, there are two radially mounted Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers that bite into two 320mm discs, joined by a 220mm rear disc. Another improved component is the carbon wheels, which provide a dynamic and aesthetic improvement with their matte finish. These were specially developed for the MV Agusta F3 Competitionizione and manage to reduce weight by 3 kilograms compared to the aluminium ones of the RR, ensuring greater agility and better behavior. To improve the weight/power ratio, a lighter lithium-ion battery has been installed than that found in its RR sibling, a decision that manages to reduce weight by at least 3 kilograms. One of the most surprising figures of the F3 Competitionizione is its engine. The 798 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine comes with titanium valves that provide very high performance, and the rev limit is set at 13,500 rpm. The engine exceeds €5+ regulations and claims 108 kilowatts, 147 horsepower, of power at 13,000 rpm, while torque remains at 88 Nm at 10,100 rpm. However, the astonishing figure is 117 kilowatts, 160 horsepower, at 13,250 rpm, which is partly achieved by the fitment of the titanium Akrapovic exhaust developed specifically for this bike. The titanium and carbon used in the guard allow for a further 3 kilograms of weight reduction. This results in a 14 kilograms reduction in total weight compared to the RR, leaving a weight/power ratio of 0.9 horsepower per kilogram. A new component, the MV Agusta 9 disc-assisted and slipper clutch, reduces the effort required for the lever by 50%, performing better both on the track and on the road. It combines perfectly with the MV Agusta electronically assisted transmission, which allows you to shift up or down more smoothly and more precisely without activating the clutch. It is based on a new control unit combined with a 6-axis IMU inertial unit, which allows it to have high-end electronics, with various riding modes: rain, sport, race and customizable. Numerous aids are configured, such as the traction control on 8 levels, 2 for rain, 3 for road and 3 for track. The seat is covered in Alcantara, a very special material that offers grip and excellent ergonomics while riding. We see first-class details in the gold finishes of some components, such as the hub of the front brake discs and the rear crown. The instrumentation to control all the data consists of a 5.5-inch color TFT screen that offers connectivity to the MV Ride app on your mobile phone, from which you can access functions such as saving and sharing routes, customizing the configuration of the motorcycle from your smartphone.